In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move conversations to different channels on Slack 2025 in a quick and easy way. If you've ever found yourself needing to relocate a chat to a more suitable channel, this guide will show you how to do it effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is go directly to the conversation channel where your discussion currently lives. This is where the conversation takes place, and your first step is to open up this channel on Slack. Once you're in your conversation channel, you'll want to take clear note of where everything is laid out to make your next steps easy and swift. Next up, locate the channel you'd like to focus on. You can easily do this by simply clicking on the channel name, which should be visible on the left-hand sidebar of your workspace. This click action will open up the channel in full view on your screen, so you can see all the messages contained within. Now, let's move to the upper right-hand corner of Slack. Here, you will find a small icon composed of 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to a range of actions you can perform on the conversation, so keep that in mind for your future Slack navigation as well. Following this, on the drop-down menu that appears, you need to find and click on the option labeled Move Conversation. This function will enable you to select a different channel where you'd like the conversation to be placed. It's a handy tool for ensuring all discussions align with the appropriate teams or topics. Once you've activated the Move Conversation functionality, you'll be prompted to select the channel you intend to relocate the conversation to. You'll be presented with a list of channels that are available, so take a moment to scroll through and find the one that fits best. For illustration purposes, imagine I'm moving this to a starred channel, which signifies it's a favored channel for certain discussions. And that's all there is to it. You'll get a quick confirmation letting you know that the conversation has been successfully moved. With just these simple actions, you've relocated your chat to its new home. Congratulations on mastering the art of moving conversations across channels in Slack. So, there you have it, folks. In just a few clicks, your Slack workspace ought to be running smoother and more organized. Feel free to go through these steps whenever you need to streamline communications in the future. I hope this guide was helpful, and I encourage you to try it out yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy slacking.